The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone. However, like any other electronic device, it can encounter problems. One issue that some Samsung Galaxy S22 users may encounter is when their device won't charge. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S22 that won't charge. But before moving on, please take a moment to like and share our video. This will help us reach more people who may be facing issues with their device. Alright, now let's continue. Here's what you can do. First solution, check your charger and cable. The first thing to do when your Samsung Galaxy S22 won't charge is to check your charger and cable. Ensure that your charger is properly plugged into a wall socket and check if the cable is securely connected to the charger and phone. If the charger or cable is damaged, replace them with a new one. Second solution, clean charging port. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in the charging port over time and prevent your phone from charging. Use a soft bristled brush or a toothpick to carefully remove any debris from the charging port. Be gentle to avoid damaging the port. Third solution, restart your phone. Restarting your Samsung Galaxy S22 can help resolve charging issues caused by software glitches or bugs. Hold down the power button and the volume down key until the power options appear, then tap Restart and confirm your action to reboot the device. Wait for your phone to reboot successfully and then try to see if the charging issue is fixed. If not, move on to the next solution. Fourth solution, check battery usage. If your Samsung Galaxy S22 still won't charge, it may be because a particular app is consuming too much battery power. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care and Battery, and look for any apps that are using a significant amount of battery power. Uninstall any unnecessary apps or disable background activity for apps that are using too much battery power. Fifth solution, factory reset. If none of the above steps resolves the issue, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy S22. This will erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your important files first. To perform a factory data reset on your device, follow these steps. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General Management, then select Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock, then tap Delete All. Enter your password and tap Done to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device, and it should work properly. If not, then it's time to have a technician check it for you. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. Thanks for watching.